attention, I'ma need you to face front. You don't want smoke with me, this is a lace blunt. Raps Jackie Chan, we ain't pulling them fake stunts. My crown won't fit on your bum ass lace front.
What's up, everybody? So I just want to show you how the steamed curly curls look. Now, only thing that I used was this dimming brush. This is what a dimming brush looks like. The bristles are plastic. So what you want to do to define your curls is, as you can see, the hair is already saturated down. So all I did was took water out of a spray bottle. This is what I used. I used a spray bottle with water in it. It's nothing in here but just regular water. And I sprayed the wig down really, really good. I drenched the wig. I sprayed it down really, really well. And then I went in with some leave-in conditioner. This is the leave-in conditioner that I use, which is the Glamour collection. This is the Lock leave-in conditioner. So I sprayed that on with the water, and all I did was took the dimming brush and went in just like this. All I did was took the dimming brush and go through with the dimming brush and brush it through. That's all. And this with water will have your curls popping. So this is the aftermath of brushing the hair and spraying it down with water. And this is how you get your curls to pop. As you can see, this is what the curls looking like. Now I'm going to just leave it here to air dry. These curls on here is so gorgeous. This is a frontal unit. I did go in and color the ends, the tips of it. Well, actually all I did was color the frontal. And this is how the curls look. So I just wanted to make this video to show you all how easy it is to define your curls.